Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform a subtraction in base 6. In base 6, also known as Senary numbers, and in base 6 we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let us look at some examples. We have 4, 1, 2, 3 base 6 minus 1, 4, 5, 5 base 6. 3 minus 5, cannot borrow one here, call it 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. This one is 3. 3 minus 5, cannot borrow one here, call it 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. One is 0. 0 minus 2, cannot borrow one here, call this one 3, call it 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. All in base 6. Let's look at another examples. We have 1, 1, 4, 2, 0 base 6 minus 4, 1, 4, 2. All in base 6. 0 minus 2, cannot borrow 1 here, can go 1, plus this one is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 minus 4, cannot borrow 1 here, call it 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. This one is 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 4, cannot borrow 1 here, call it 0. Borrow 1 here, call it 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. All in base 6. Let's look at more examples. We have 5, 2, 3, 3, all in base 6 minus 3, 3, 3, 2 base 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2, cannot borrow 1 here, call it 6. 6 plus 1, 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. All in base 6. Thank you for watching.